Here's how to generate AI images in Krea while you type in just 2 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to create and refine images in real time without waiting for separate generations. First, sign into your Krea account and open the Real-Time Canvas or Real-Time Edit workspace. You'll see a blank canvas with the prompt box and drawing tools. Make sure you're in the Real-Time workspace because this is where images update instantly as you type. Click inside the prompt field and start describing the image you want. Instead of waiting for a generate button, you'll see the artwork begin appearing and changing immediately with every word you add or remove. Next, continue refining your prompt by adding more descriptive details about the subject, lighting, colors, background, or camera angle. As you edit the text, the image keeps updating live on your screen so you can instantly see how each change affects the result. Then, use the brush tool to sketch simple shapes, colors, or rough outlines directly on the canvas. Krea will immediately transform those strokes into detailed AI artwork while keeping your prompt in mind. This makes it easy to guide the composition without starting over. After that, keep adjusting both your prompt and the canvas together. If an object doesn't look right, paint over that area or rewrite part of the prompt. You'll see the background, lighting, objects, and fine details change continuously as you edit, making it much faster to experiment with different ideas. Now, once you're happy with the result, stop editing and choose the option to save or export your finished image. If the image isn't updating while you type, make sure you're using the Real-Time Canvas or Real-Time Edit workspace instead of Krea's standard image generator. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Krea's standard image generation workspace, enter your prompt, choose an available image model, generate the image normally, then open it in Krea's editing tools to continue refining it. Once everything is set, you'll have a finished AI-generated image that updates live while you type and draw, ready to export or keep editing inside Krea. Following these simple steps makes generating AI images while you type quick and easy.